Enjoy high light reflectance and an increased sense of space with the rectangular glow line mirror by Affirmations Mirrors, available at Italtile. Assembled in South Africa, Affirmations Mirrors are coveted for their use of Pilkington Glass from Lancashire, universally recognized as the holy grail of glass. With a size and shape that will suit most double basins, the glow line mirror features an elongated LED tube light, the length of the mirror, that can be activated by a motion sensor to help ensure the best lighting conditions for grooming in and around the bathroom or even the bedroom. Best installed horizontally, the glow line mirror comes complete with pre-mounted brackets, has all electrical components mounted in the rear, and forms part of the Pilkington Optimirror range, which offers crystal clear color, clarity, and a greater resistance to natural atmospheric corrosion. As with all of Italtile's Affirmations eco-chic mirrors, the glow line mirror carries the Live Green logo thanks to its sustainable design and manufacture that includes energy-efficient and eco-friendly materials. Add both cool illumination and luxe appeal to your bathroom, dressing room, or walk-in wardrobe with the glow line mirror.